Good morning, children. This is your SST class. Welcome to your SST class. This is chapter 2, The Earth, Our Home. Let us learn about the Earth. The Earth is only planet in the solar system on which living things have been found. You know that we live on planet Earth. You know that? But do you know that it is the only planet which has life on it? Our Earth is a unique planet. This is because it has water, sunlight and favorable weather, which are important for life. Okay. What makes the Earth special? A member of solar system, the Earth is a special planet. The Earth looks blue from space because of the presence of water. It appears to be like a big blue. The Earth looks like a round ball, but it is not a perfect circle. It is slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. The best way to understand the shape of Earth is look at an orange. It is bulging in the middle and slightly flat at the top and bottom. These flat ends are the South Pole at the top and the North Pole at the top and South Pole at the bottom. Okay. Blanket of air. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. This layer protects the Earth from being too cold or too hot. It helps in maintaining the right temperature. The atmosphere consists of many gases including oxygen and thus makes life possible on Earth. Neither hot or nor cold. Okay. This layer protects the Earth from being too cold or too hot. Helps to maintain the right temperature. Maintain the right temperature had made the life possible. And water for life. It happens to be like a big. The Earth looks blue from space because of the presence of water. It appears to be like a big blue ball. Okay. Like this, like a big blue. The huge water measures on Earth are known as ocean. There are 5 oceans on Earth, you know. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, of which the Pacific is the largest. Okay. Movements of the Earth. Rotation. Rotation is the movement of the Earth just like a spinning top. You know, top. It rotates around a fixed imaginary line called the axis. Within these 24 hours, we experience day and night. The sun is fixed at its place so that part of the planet which faces the sun experiences day. At the same time, the other part which is away from the sunlight, it experiences night. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay. Now, revolution. Revolution is the other movement in which our planet goes around the sun along fixed path called the orbit. The path of the planet is oval and the earth takes about 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. During its revolution, the earth takes different position, and that is why we have different seasons. We have different seasons. Revolution. Get the picture? Okay. Now, horizon. When we see a landscape, the earth and the sky seem to meet at a point. This point of meeting is known as the horizon. Look at this picture. The sea seems to join the sky. This point of meeting is known as horizon. The place where land and sea meet is known as coast or seashore. Okay. Shape of the earth, earlier it was believed that the earth was flat. Do you know who proved that earth was round? Ferdinand Magellan was the first to prove that the earth was round. 1522. He and his sailors sailed from Spain on a long voyage on the ship Victoria. Okay. Magellan's ship sailing from Spain. Look at this picture. Okay. Yuri Gagarin was the first human to be able to view the earth from space in the year 1961. Okay. This is a picture of Ferdinand Magellan. I will solve your exercise in my next video. So, thank you children.